Hi everybody, well today what I've got for you is a 2018 Hot Wheels Flames 5-pack, and this is from this year obviously, and there's the 2018 Hot Wheels Flames, and there's all the cars, and we'll be unboxing and opening these up for you today. Just picked these up this morning from my local farmers. There's the back of the pack, as voted for online, all featuring cool flame details, and there's the 5 cars. So we've got a Mustang, we've got another Mustang, we've got a Mercury Cougar and a Pontiac Firebird and a Chevy pickup. So let's start by cracking into this. So we'll just open up this pack for you now, and we'll just pull the plastic out of there, and we're ready to go. So we'll just zoom in on the turntable, get that all sorted, and make sure we've got it all ready for you. Here we go. So the first one out tonight is the 68 Mustang. This is the tuned version. I'm not normally a big fan of these sort of tuned cars, so unfortunately this was in the pack, so I had no choice, I had to buy it. But actually, when all said and done, it's actually not a bad version. It's pretty cool. It's got some really nice detail on it. Beautiful green colour actually, it's quite a nice colour this. And we'll just get a little bit more angle on there for you. So just check that out. Very cool. Lots of nice chrome detail with the big engine at the front there and the side pipes. Chrome back. And really nice green. And obviously the green accents around the wheels. So that is not a bad looking car, even if it is a tuned version. And with a black spoiler on the front as well. Nice black tinted windows. So real hot rod. Second up today, 65 Ford Mustang convertible. Here we go. This is actually quite a nice casting. It's been around a long time, this casting. I've got quite a few of these in main lines. But this is a real nice one in white with the sort of bluey windscreen, nice red interior, nice orange and red flames, and a crimson kind of red accents around the wheels. So that's another really nice looking car. Quite nice indeed. Next up, 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. So this is one of the cars that I actually specifically bought this pack for. That one right there, because I really like the Mercuries, and that's a really nice looking car. Red interior, nice yellow. It's got some pretty cool flames down the side with some sort of bronzy orange kind of accents on the detail on the wheels, and nice back detail with the rear wing and the chrome. And again, that's another really nice looking car. Nice proportions to this casting. Everything seems to be in place. And the fourth car out of the 5-pack is a 98 Pontiac Firebird. And this is actually a car which is sort of growing on me a bit. I wasn't too keen on it in the packet, but now that I've actually taken it out of the packet, it's actually quite a nice car. Nice electric blue. Pretty nice chrome wheels, and some beautiful black flames roaring down the side there. Black tinted windows, and that is a pretty nice casting. I think this is the only casting of this. This is the only one of this casting that I have. It's got a bit of a NASCAR window web on the side there, but the one that I actually bought the set for, it's a lot to pay for a 5 set just for one car, is this guy right here, and that is absolutely spectacular. And of course that's the famous custom 62 Chevy pickup in purple flames, matte black, unbelievably good detail, very nice chrome finish with the bed there, sunroof, pink glass, and it's really slammed down like most of these 62 pickups are. but I really like that matte black. Not normally a fan of matte black cars, but that matte black with that purple and pink glass is just absolutely beautiful. Real custom, real nice custom truck. So that's the star of the 5-pack, and that's really the one that I bought it for. I did a Chevy video. My last video was on Chevys, and I had 4 of these in that video, so I'll be adding this one to that collection in my display. So that's pretty much it. Pretty short video today, guys, but I just thought, hey, I've got 2 5-packs actually. I got a Hot Wheels Car Meet one and a Hot Wheels Flames one. So I'll do one on the Car Meet next. And that's got a really nice gasser in it, which is again the only reason why I bought that whole 5-pack was to get the gasser. But having said that, that's the 5 Hot Wheels Flames for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, please pop them in the comment section. That'll be great. And hope you enjoyed it, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers.